26.
Day 2 of the rally. Let's get it.
I can see the stars reflecting. Empty tires made us steam. I see your light. Take me away from me. Beyond the stratosphere. I'm burning up. You got me falling free into eternity. When you tear up my horizon.
Top off. Oh, my hair, dude. They found the goat. Yeah, that's so weird.
I want to cross.
There's so many cars. You're gonna die. Okay, touch it. Dude, that goat could have diseases and you wouldn't even know. That's all I'm saying. He's got a monocle. That's legit. I would totally get that. What? Sheesh, this thing is crazy. You thought your lights were cool. You haven't seen these lights. Look, these ones have water in it. Look at these bubbly lights. That is sick. Look, they have multicolor ones. These ones are a little scary looking. Snow Village, 50s, 60s, American. Okay. Look at the donut. Wicked. And then you got Christmas in the City, 1930s to 1940s. Oh my gosh. And then we have the Dickens Village, so 1800s London. Oh, that's so London. That is so cool. Okay, next, all right, after this one, right here, we have the North Pole. What? Look, up top, you have the Christmas lights. This is so sick. You got Snoopy, Woodstock, and then you have the Peanuts. So they have their own little section. Where's the Peanuts? Oh, down here, Peanut Village. You have the Mickey Mouse section. That dude has a huge list. It continues on this side. This is so cool. I've always loved these. Okay, then we have Hello Kitty's village. Where Hello Kitty at? I have no clue where Hello Kitty is. Brett, I think they're lying. I see no Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty's a lie. There's no Hello Kitty. There's no Hello Kitty. Okay.
It says it's on the second floor.
Oh, what? Am I blind? I'm so blind. Yeah, I'm blind. And then the Grinch. This is for all the goth girls. This is for all the goth baddies right here. Look at this. You got the haunted Disneyland mansion, all the ghosts. Can't forget about this side. Jeez. This is a spooky vibe. You got your boy It. This is wild. I cannot be the only one that thinks this lady is freaky. We're in a barrel booth and I have a pillow from the barrel booth on my backside because we're in a barrel. It's a legit barrel. Look at this dude. His legs are wide open. What? Oh, jeez.
Head down the highway
Get over here.
it feels right with you. I'm heavy breathing. Feels like I'm lucid dreaming. I'm actually the tide to crash into the night. This time I can't be speeding. I'm taking it slow, but I just want to. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow, I just want to. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. In the middle of July, I'll fall into the deep end, giving into my feelings, afraid to go on this ride. I'm scared to crash inside. This time I might be speeding. I'm taking it slow, but I just want Sometimes I still hear your voice. It's telling me you'll catch my phone. So how do I feel the ground? I wear my heart, you wear a crown. Wish I wasn't late to know. Stars don't shine when there's only satellites.